Everyone. Today we will be talking about more start bar modding. See mine, it says James, and it says just click it to start, dot dot dot. It usually says click here to begin. You can change to whatever you want. So, yeah, I'll show you how. Open up Resource Hacker. The link will be provided in the description to the right. I think I already taught you what the right is last time, so you should know that. Resource Hacker. Gonna go File, Open. Now yours will be on desktop. Navigate to Local Disk C, Windows, and find Explorer, EXPLRO. Yes, just double click it, and you'll see tables over here. Gonna open again string table, and it'll be not 33, 30. 34, and expand 34, and then hit 1033, and right here you see click here to begin. I'm just gonna type in click it, and just hit compile script. And if you want to change the start button too, it'll be under 37. So you start right there. Just gonna click James. Compile script, and then I'm gonna do file, save as. Do not click save, or else you'll be severely messed over. Hit Explorer. You can name it whatever you want, but I do it in numbers. Explorer. I'm gonna name it 2.exe. Must do exe. Must hit save. Now this is the hard part. Go to James, run, type in regedit, REGEDIT, all one word. Okay. Now yours will not be expanded, so let me just take this through one by one so you know how to do it. So you're gonna go H key local machine, expand, software, expand, find Microsoft. Where is it? Microsoft, expand, find Windows NT, expand, current version, yeah. Find Win Logon. Just click that. Now you're gonna go through here and find AB, it's one page, shell. Double click, it'll say explorer.exe. I just do the number. We did 2, so I'm gonna click 2 and hit OK. Now it's gonna exit, and all you need to do is restart, and then when you phase over it, it'll say just click to start here. Once again, subscribe. Some people that can't spell. And remember, it's yellow. Thanks. Bye.